Beam Wallet app: the pros, the cons. Privacy in crypto is becoming a rare luxury, and that's exactly where the Beam Wallet app steps in. Built around confidential transactions, Beam is designed to make every transfer private, secure, and untraceable. But is that level of privacy worth the trade-offs? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the Beam Wallet is built on the Mimblewimble protocol, the same privacy technology that hides transaction amounts and wallet addresses by default. This means that unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, no one can see your transaction history, not even on the blockchain itself. Another pro is self-custody and strong encryption. Beam gives you full control over your private keys, with advanced features like password-protected wallets, hardware integrations, and offline transaction signing. The wallet interface is clean, modern, and available on both desktop and mobile. It's designed for everyday use, sending payments, managing addresses, and even creating confidential assets like private stablecoins or tokens. Beam also supports a growing ecosystem of DeFi applications through its Beams platform, where users can stake, swap, and lend privately without revealing personal data. Now for the cons. Privacy comes with trade-offs, and one of them is complexity. Beam's privacy model can be confusing for newcomers, especially when managing transaction proofs or syncing the blockchain. Another drawback is limited adoption. Because it's privacy-focused, Beam isn't supported on major exchanges or wallets, making liquidity and conversions a bit tricky. Finally, some governments have begun scrutinizing privacy coins, which could affect availability or regulation in the future. In conclusion, the Beam Wallet app is for those who believe financial privacy is a right, not a privilege. The surprising truth? While it may not be for casual traders, Beam stands as one of the few wallets that truly defends anonymity, giving users full control in a world that's becoming increasingly transparent.